You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city in Italy, as well as how to say more names of famous places in Italy from Italian. So in Italian, this is said as Ravenna, Ravenna. You do want to stress on that double N, make it twice as long because it's a double N, Ravenna. Now in English, this is generally referred to as Ravenna, Ravenna. From Italian, Ravenna. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.